Shishu, that's Quincy. And do you know, guys, that all windshield repairs are not the same? Luckily for us today, we have an expert to talk just about that. Let's welcome to the show, Kiona Collins. She is the owner of the Key Glass Repair. Kiona,
Thank you,
how are
Patricia,
you?
for having me. I'm good. How are you?
So excited to have you with us today in Living 757. I never had this segment before. I love it because I've been there many times. So now I know you're gonna walk me through the process, how to fix the windshields. So tell me everything about it.
Okay, so the process of the windshield repair is to stop the damage from spreading, of course, and it's structural integrity as well. So the windshield is the third most important part of the next to the airbag and the seat belt.
I love it. So now I know you wanna walk me through. If you wanna start already, you can start
Okay.
fixing and do the reparations. So you've been doing this for how long, Kiana?
I've been in the industry for 11 years. I've been doing windshield repairs for 5.
Okay, so what are you doing right now?
I'm
Ooh.
drilling the
It
windshield.
looks like she's gonna fix my nails.
So
Okay.
we're able to open up the windshield.
Okay.
So I'm just drilling it. I'm gonna get all the dust and debris out of the damage. Just trying to get into that layer.
See, girls, it looks so easy. We can just bring the clean up. No, I'm just kidding. So, do you offer like a same-day service, Kiona?
Yes.
How that works?
For windshield repairs, we are available same day. We try to act as fast as possible so it will not spread.
Okay. So, what are you doing right now?
So I'm still drilling it and getting
Okay.
into the
Drill.
And this is typically
That's for the small, right?
Yep, the small chip.
A
As long
small
as it's
chip.
smaller than the size of a quarter, we're able to repair it.
I see that.
So just getting the dust out of the damage.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm gonna just add my tools to
Okay.
it, make sure that
I hope you guys can see it very good. I like it. It's very interesting. So, how this work? Like, you offer also lifetime warranty when you do these kind of repairs?
yes, we do. So if it does spread, but we guarantee that it will not spread. If it does, in some cases, we'll credit the amount to a price of a new windshield.
How cool is that? So, what is that tool? It looks like a microscope.
So this is the zoom. So it's actually, this is what I use to inject the resin into the damage. And so there's a vacuum seal. So I'm vacuuming all the air out of the damage so that way the resin can replace the air that I just vacuumed out.
Look at that. I didn't know there was so much things going on. And that's just a little repair. So now you also have some free services going on depending on the insurance. Can we
Yes.
talk about that?
Correct. So we do offer free windshield repairs because the insurance companies does cover the cost of the windshield repairs because they don't want the windshield to spread. So as long as your insurance covers it under your comprehensive coverage, we will repair the glass.
I love it. So, quick question. If I have like a big scratch right here, like how did that work? Like it's not a repair, I have to change the whole windshield?
Yep, you'll have to change it. If it's larger than a quarter, I recommend replacing the entire glass.
I didn't know that. So larger than a quarter. That's
Yes,
awesome.
ma'am.
What other services do you provide?
We offer headlight restoration as well and any auto glass replacements, excluding the sunroof.
Okay, so now what part of the process are we right now?
So I just removed all the air out of the damage and now
Okay.
I'm injecting it with our resin. And what the resin does is it restores the structural integrity of the windshield and then we'll cure it with a UV light.
Okay, so we can go ahead and go to the next part. So what is that? You're gonna put the resin?
Yep, so I already injected
it's
the
already
resin.
there.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I didn't see that one. I missed that one.
So now I'm gonna add this is a UV cover
Okay.
because we don't want the resin to cure prematurely. So I'm adding the UV cover over the damage. That way, once it's time to cure with the UV light, then it'll be finished.
It's like a whole surgery going on there.
Basically, windshield surgery.
So now, I also know that I use Women Rock Repair. I love this hashtag right here. So this is what? Is that your website?
Nope. So Women Rock Repair, it's through Glassweld,
Okay.
and they have a segment of women that just does the windshield repairs, and they try to shine more spotlight on women doing
I
windshield
love
repairs.
that.
Yep, it's a male-dominant industry, so
It is, but
yeah.
there you go. Kiana is changing that little by little.
I'm doing my best.
So right after this, Kiana, what we have to do?
Okay, so once I'm gonna go into the vacuum process again and just removing any air that was left in the damage.
Okay.
So I'm removing that and then I'm gonna inject the rest of the resin in the damage.
I like that. Injected.
Yep.
So I don't know if we're gonna have time to see the whole process. I tried to speed it up a little bit, but yes, Kiana, if people want to reach out to you and they need from your services, how they can do that?
Okay, so you can contact us directly, and also visit our Facebook pages and Instagram. Facebook is Key Glass Repair, Instagram is Key Glass Repair LLC, and then we're also on Google.
I love that. And look at that. Now she's warming it up.
I'm warming up, yep, because glass contracts and expands.
Actually, I want to see the final result. Can get out. Okay.
So I'm just warming it up. That way the resin is able to spread thoroughly through the glass.
Okay. Again, we can see it right now. So I think the info is already on the screen, Kiana. Well, thank you so much for being today with Living
Thank you so much for
757.
having
If
me.
you guys need from her services, please contact her. Thank you, Kiana.
No problem. Thank you.
So now we have to go to commercial break, but coming up next, I know it's a new spot in Chesapeake, if I'm not wrong. So stay with us. Don't go anywhere.